Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, my credit snipers? Hey guys, your boy Carlos, the Credit Assassins team. Hey guys, so today I'm in Colombia. I'm gonna be shooting some videos in Colombia. I want to show you what credit can do for you, how you can travel, still live the life, still have credit, have the perfect credit. Somebody dropped the phone right here. Have the perfect credit, but at the same time be able to finance your businesses. I mean, even though when you go to exotic places, you could put it as a business right off as long as you conduct some type of business. But that's a conversation for another day, and I'll do a video on this. Specifically, I'll bring some CPAs on it, so that guy can talk to us. But I want to make sure that I bring to you some of the things. And I want to talk to you. I'm in the airport right now waiting for my ride, so I want to make sure that hey guys, this is raw. This is to you. I want to make sure that you guys understand what I'm doing, how I do it, and how everything's going to start changing this year for us out here in the Credit Assassins team and family. But before I go, a selfish plug. Guys, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you click on that bell icon, click on all, like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But at the same time, guys, do not forget to give me the thumbs up. That's gonna help me tremendously. It's gonna allow me to bring this content to many more people, and I want to make sure I help you. I'm giving some free content here that I want to make sure that you guys use, and I want to help you. That's something that I've been coming out of the military, retired with the military, been with the military for 22 years. Want to make sure that I continue selflessly helping people and providing value to others. And what else better than a passion that I have for credit, a passion that I have for creating new businesses, helping people create that business, get that ability or the ability to get money in order for them to scale even to do a startup. So that's what we're here for. Now, today I want to talk to you about, I know a lot of people talk about, hey, look, can I pay my bills with my credit cards? Yes, you can. But before I'll tell you that, I want to make sure you guys, I'm taking a sip of coffee. This is Colombian coffee called Juan Valdez. Amazing coffee, by the way. No, they're not paying anything. I'm just telling you, I love it. Another Juan Valdez spot. I'm over here at their cafe, so I'm just waiting for my ride. But anyway, so do not use, I implore you to, and I know sometimes you have to, when you're starting your own business, you use your own credit, your own funds. Go another way, because what I've seen with a lot of investors, a lot of business owners, that they try and they start the business. They start business with savings. They start business with their own credit. They get to a point where they're tapped out. They can't get any more credit, and sometimes they even, business they fluctuate, go up and down. And sometimes they go even down, and that's when your credit take a dip. And then you can even get business credit because you never took the time to develop your business credit, or you cannot get any more personal credit because now your personal credit's in the floor. So guys, take the time, listen to everything that we tell you. If worst comes to worst, you don't want to work with us, at least get your free scan. In the bottom of this video, you're going to see a free scan for your business that will tell you the compliance items that your business is missing and which ones they have. Not only that, we are giving you the steps that you need to take in order to fix your credit, business credit in this case. But at the same time, guys, if you want coaching, if you want one of us to help you and meet with you at least twice a week in order to get you the lending for a whole year, that's an option right there too. So not only we can help you with your business, but we can help you with your personal credit. But guys, a lot of business owners have the idea that, okay, it is bad to pay your bills with credit cards, which is not. Now, that's something that you can do. As a matter of fact, that's what we're prescribed to do, because we understand other people's money is a credit card. A credit card is there to be used in order for you to pay for expenses for your business, i.e. travel, you're talking about bills, light, software development. Sometimes you need to pull cash out in order to pay payroll for your people. So keep that in mind, guys. This is something that we can help you and show you. And if you're not there, we have a lot of different benefits within our system. But the unsecured business financing, that's it. UBF is one of those. We have about 20 different options that we can help you with. Guys, get your free scan. Yes, you can pay your bills with your credit card, but use your credit cards wisely. We want to teach you how to properly use and what's the proper utilization, how to meet all the business compliance items that you need in order to get business credit. You need business credit today, and that's what we want to show you. We want to tell you how we can do it because we want to help you. We want you to be your best self. We want to help you so you can start creating the generational wealth that you want. And leaving the legacy that you dreamed to leave for your family. Guys, look, once again, this is your boy Carlos Estrada. I am the Credit Assassin. This is the Credit Assassins team. And guys, before I go, do not forget, click on the bell icon, click on all. Make sure that you subscribe. Now, if you have any comments about this video, leave it down there. Let me know how we did. Let me know how we can help each other out, how we can help the community as well. If you have any comments about how you should be using your credit cards, then do it. Please. We want to make sure we hear from you too. Do not forget to give me the thumbs up. That's going to help us out a lot more. But guys, I'll see you next time. And you're going to be seeing me for the next week all over the rainforest and different places. It's going to be exciting. We're going to be coming to you live on raw, uncut. I want to make sure we talk about business credit, personal credit, and how you can live the life that you want. See you soon.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna